Eat your SkettyOs. Use your spoon, Maya. You're supposed to use your spoon. Yeah, you eat it. Look, use your spoon like this. No, don't take it off the spoon. On the spoon, and put the spoon in your mouth. Like that. No, leave it on the spoon. Leave it on the spoon. You're supposed to leave it on the spoon. On the spoon in your mouth. No, Maya, leave it on the spoon and put it in your mouth. Now see the spoon's empty. Ain't no point in putting it in your mouth when it's empty. Stop grabbing it off the spoon. Come on, open up. Ah, what a mess you're making. Use your spoon, eat your dinner. No, that's not how you hold the spoon. You just pick the SkettyOs off your hand. Whatever. As long as it gets in you, I guess. Is that good? Use your spoon. You don't push it off the spoon into your mouth. You put the spoon in your mouth. Look, let me see spoon. Got all these SkettyOs down here in your chest. Use your spoon, Maya. That's not how you use the spoon. You know your hand's not your spoon, right? You're supposed to use the spoon. Jeremiah, try the spoon. Don't you dump that bowl. Don't you dump that bowl. Eat your SkettyOs. Are you done? No, you're not done. You are done. Okay. Want some juice? Look at what a mess you are.
Yeah, he needs a bath for church anyways.
Okay.